Welcome. In today's video, we will talk about Google Compute Engine. We will begin by exploring what exactly it is and what are some of the use cases. Then we will do a demo illustrating step by step how you can start using it to create virtual machine instances. Compute Engine is one of the cloud computing services offered by Google as part of Google Cloud Platform. So Compute Engine is basically just like renting a powerful computer from Google that you can use over the internet. Instead of owning your own computer, you can use Google's computers to run your programs, store your data, or do any other computing tasks that you need. It's a service where you pay for the computing power and storage you use, and you can scale it up or down depending on your needs. It's handy for businesses or individuals who need extra computing power without having to buy and maintain their own hardware. Some of the use cases, for example, you can use Compute Engine to host websites and web applications. By deploying VM instances with web server software like Apache or Nginx, you can serve web content to users over the internet. You can also use Compute Engine for application development and testing, like you can create VM instances with specific configurations to mimic production environments and test their applications before deployment. You can also use it for data processing or any other computing tasks that need high computing resources. Now let's go into the console and do some demos. I will show you how to create a Compute Engine VM, how to connect to it, and start using it. Starting with Compute Engine is actually very easy. First, you need a GCP account. I will leave the link in the description to sign up if you don't already have one. Once you connect to your account, you will see a page like this. And to start, you need to select a project. A project is basically just a way to organize your resources. It's like a workspace. You can select a project here, or if you don't already have one, you can create a new project. Already have one, so I will just select it. Once your project is ready, you can go to the navigation menu on the side, and here you will see different products and services. We are interested in Compute Engine, so we will click on Compute Engine. In order to create a new VM instance, you can click on Create Instance. And here you can specify the parameters of your instance. First, you need a name. For example, I will call it Demo Instance. Then you can choose the region where your instance will be physically located. You can choose the region that is closest to you or to your end users. I will choose Europe West 9 and Zone Europe West 9A. For the machine configuration, you have different configurations. For this tutorial, I will choose just E2, which is low-cost day-to-day computing. If you have special requirements, you can choose other types like consistently high performance, balanced price and performance, scale-out workloads, etc. Then you can choose either a preset or a custom machine. Custom, you specify how much CPU and memory you want, and preset, you have preset combinations of CPU and memory. And you have either shared core, standard, high memory, high CPU. For this tutorial, I will choose just standard machine and I will choose the smallest one with 2 vCPUs and 8 gigabytes of memory. And for now, I will leave the rest of the configuration as defaults. Once you're done, you can click Create.
and it should take a little while to create, 1 or 2 minutes. Once your VM is up and running, you can connect to it by clicking on SSH. It may ask you to authorize SSH and it will take a few seconds to connect. Once there, you can start by updating the packages.
This was a short introduction to Compute Engine. In future videos, we will see how you can use it to deploy web applications.